Happy Sunday evening. Oh, no. Happy Saturday evening to you. Programmers, we lose our track of our day. So you saw me this morning. I put a video out this morning on how I went out and I was going to work on some stuff. So let me give you an idea of what my day was like. There goes the computer in the background. Besides my phone blowing up and messages coming in, answering those, I went and did a hardware reboot where I had a blade enclosure that decided to crap out on me. I went and rebooted that, rebooted a couple hard drive or a couple database engines, database servers. I went and then physically rebooted, powered down and powered out an enclosure. Then I did a video about the hard drive, or not the hard drive, but one of the blade servers, so you'll see that shortly. And then on top of that, then I went back to one of my boxes and I responded to some requests for tests. So I tested some code. I upgraded my server. I cleaned out some of the RAM in my server. I then also did a install of a new database on another server. On top of that, then I came back and I had to upgrade my database manipulation or my database management tool because the new software wouldn't talk to the old tool. And if you've ever updated database tools or tools where there are certificates and a huge history and things that you want to try to keep track of, you always sort of pucker and grit your teeth and stress over the fact that when you push that button, hopefully the people who've written the code and have written it well enough that they don't wipe out all the work you've done in the previous tool. So fortunately for me, I upgraded a new database management tool which covers everything, works relatively well for everything, no problems there. So upgraded a database management tool, installed a new type of database, a Marina database. I'm an old MySQL fan, but I thought I'd give the Marina database a try. Then I had to figure out how to burn holes through the secure sockets so I can do tunneling, so I can work remotely. So I got that done. Then after that, I built a database engine. I built a database from scratch, figuring licensing server. Then I wrote the intermediate web-based code, the JSP code for it. Then I tested it. Then I wrote test client-side code. Then I tested that. Then I started to populate the database with keys, tested that, wrote code and embedded it in my sneakerbot. And so that code's in there. It's been tested. Went through the sneakerbot and fixed some errors that had been bugging me, driving me crazy. Did work on that. Then I contacted people who were interested in the licensing. Got licenses out to those and sent instructions. So I sent messages and licenses. Just deployed the latest version of the sneakerbot up to the servers. Added some resource files, and that's been my day. So, that is a typical programmer's day, a life in the programmer. Somewhere in there, I managed to drive the car a little bit to and from places. I did get some food in a few times, did say hi to my family. So it wasn't all being glued to the chair. I did get some squats in. I need to get back onto the bench press again. I'm getting a little light on my bench press, a little light on my squats. So, did a lot of work, but my typical Saturday. So, it's the end of the Saturday now, and that's a programmer's life. Anyway, take care. Have a great night. I'll be working again tomorrow. Enjoy yourself.